Hello guys, good morning to all of you. This is Maggie Raj here, and now I am going to get discuss about the telescope. So telescope is also combination of two convex lenses, but in this case objective size of objective lens is greater than comparison to eyepiece lens, or simply we can say that the focal length of an objective lens is greater than the focal length of eyepiece lens. So here this is the combination of two lenses for the telescope. One is objective lens and another is eyepiece lens E. Okay, and for this case telescope, it is used for the seeing of any small size object of the which situated at the distant or very far point. So for the seeing of any object which situated at a very large length or at infinite, that we will use the telescope. Telescope is also a combination of two convex lenses in which size of objective lens is greater than size of eyepiece lens. Okay, O is objective lens and E is eyepiece lens, or simply we can say that the focal length of objective lens is greater than the focal length of eyepiece lens. So these are the specific conditions for the telescope, and here two convex lenses which are maintained in a single tube like this. Okay, and whenever any ray of light falls from coming from infinite like this, then its image formed at this, like any object whose image is A dash, B dash. Okay, and for the eyepiece lens, is image formed at a particular fixed length like this. So this is beta angle and this is alpha angle. Okay, and you can also maintain this like its image formed like this is the focal length FO. Okay, and this is objective lens, that is UE, and its image may be formed V, that is it may be equals to in D, or it may be equals to infinite. So for the particular cases, let me consider here this is O and this is E, this is image B dash A dash, this is angle alpha and this is beta. Okay, and you know that this length is FO and this is UE. This is the right side for this length, that is positive, and this is object works as negative. Okay, as it available in the left side for next lens like eyepiece lens. So here the magnification M is equals to tan beta upon tan alpha. So M is equals to tan beta in this case, where tan alpha is equals to perpendicular by base a dash b dash upon fo, and tan beta is equals to a dash b dash upon b dash e. Okay, and you know that b dash e is equals to the objective length, okay, ue. So it can also written as a dash b dash upon ue. So putting all these value in equation first, y equation first, m is equals to tan beta, it means a dash b dash upon ue upon tan alpha a dash b dash upon fo. So m is equals to minus fo upon ue. Okay, so this is the magnifying power for a telescope. And now it is equals to minus fo upon ue. So whenever, first of all, whenever its image formed at the least distance minus d, first when image formed at v equals to minus d. Okay, so u is equals to minus ue and f is equals to fe. So using 1 by f is equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u, this length formula. So 1 by fe is equals to 1 by minus d minus 1 upon ue. So 1 by d plus 1 by fe is equals to 1 by ue, and you know that the magnifying power is fo by ue. So multiplying both sides by fo. So fo upon d plus fo upon fe, that is fo upon ue. Okay, so this is the fo upon ue is equals to fo upon fe plus fo upon d. So common fo by fe कॉमन ले लेंगे तो 1 प्लस fo अपॉन d अपॉन fo अपॉन fe ऐसा हो जाएगा. सो fo अपॉन fe 1 प्लस, देखिएगा, fo अपॉन d इंटू fe अपॉन fo. सो इट विल बी रिटन एज fo अपॉन fe 1 प्लस fe by d. It is equals to fo upon ue, and you know that the magnifying power for this is m equals to minus fo by ue. So that m is equals to minus fo upon fe ue, that is equals to minus fo upon fe 1 plus fe upon d. So it will be the magnifying power for telescope, that is equals to minus fo by fe 1 plus fe by d. So here fo by fe is equals to fo by fe plus fo by d, and whenever we will take common from this fo by fe means in दोनों टर्म में fo by fe से डिवाइड कर दिया तो यहाँ पर 1 बचेगा, fo by fe अपॉन fo by fe 1, और यहाँ पर fo by d अपॉन fo अपॉन fe. सो ये मल्टीप्लाई में आ जाएगा और टर्म्स रिवर्स हो जाएगा. So it will be equal to like this, and this magnifying power is minus fo by ue. So putting the value of fo by ue, that is this, so it will be equal to minus fo by fe 1 plus fe by d. And next one condition, whenever its image form at infinite, if image form at infinite means v equals to infinite, u equals to minus ue and f is equals to fe, then 1 by f is equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u. So 1 by fe is equals to 1 by infinite minus 1 by ue. Okay, and object length is negative, so it is equals to 1 by ue is equals to 1 by fe, और दोनों तरफ हम मल्टीप्लाई कर दें fo से. So fo by ue, fo by fe. Okay, thus we know that its magnifying power is m is equals to minus FO upon UE. Therefore, m is equals to minus FO upon FE. So this will be the magnifying power of telescope whenever its image formed at infinite.